Mark your calendar. From academic year 2021-22, CORDO International School, one of the best international school, brings to you CORDO Wisdom. Have doubts? What is this CORDO Wisdom? Then stay tuned. It's always wise to start preparing early to hit the target. Then start it with CORDO Wisdom. This is a foundation course for grade 8, 9 and 10 students. If you are planning to ace the competitive exam, then this is your perfect destination. Want to kickstart your career? Then do not experiment with your dream. Join the best foundation course in the industry. Next comes our advantages. Number 1, concept-based learning. Number 2, stop suffering to prepare your exam with the bulky syllabus of grades 11 and 12. Start preparing early. Practice more. It will provide you better chances of clearing your exam. Let's check the essence of our program, and at the end we have some killer bonuses. So wait for that. Our course includes general studies, algebra, matrix, science, logical reasoning, mental ability, quantitative aptitude, leadership skills. And the killer bonuses are personality development and career guidance. The best way to predict the future is to create it. Create your future by enrolling to CORDO Wisdom. Come and visit our school to feel the difference. Our goal is your success. Knowing when to start is wisdom. Then start with CORDO Wisdom.